Randy with Top Rope Belts with you here again today. Guess what we're looking at? This is a Jeff Hardy version 2. This is with the blue paint and the white leather. The version 3 is basically identical to it, only black paint, black leather. And as you can notice, the mask lights up to sound. So we designed it when Jeff walks out onto a dark stage and his music hits, the mask keeps time with the music. Top Rope Belts, tradition and innovation. It's not just a saying, we believe it. Let's move on down here and give you a shot at these side plates. We've got Swarovski crystals here. We've got another version of his face mask. And Jeff does some really cool artwork, so we incorporated his stylized globe on this side plate. Lots of textural detail in this belt through and through, all the way down here to the side plates. Let's see if we can get you a closer shot here. Get some of those textures. And you can see the mask is a stacked plate or relief plate, whatever you prefer to call it. Then here is the logo that Top Rope Belts designed, namely our artist Jesse Justice. There is the Jeff Hardy signature. And Jeff inside the pentagram doing the Swanton bomb. Just a awesome logo. This is a multi-etched belt. You can see that there is a really deep etch in the belt, and then after that there's another shallow etch in the belt, so you got this nice texture. I hope that comes through on the video, but this is a good probably 2mm etch right here going down into that valley, and then the valley is etched again. So very, very cool effect. There's Jeff's earrings. His gauge is a little larger than mine. Oh well, I don't have any envy. The mask, of course, is a stacked plate, relief plate, whatever you'd like to call it. You want to see the eyes light up? There you go. I'll kill the lights in a moment. There's the Omega symbol. This one has the horns on it. Yeah, Matt and Jeff, Omega wrestling in their younger days, so we wanted to kind of commemorate that here. Good guys. It's a duplicate of the other side plate. You can get a good look at the signature there. Another angle of the logo. And on the outer side plate, we've got the stylized sun. And these masks are painted to match the leather, and of course the light up eyes and mask on the main plate. Alright, I'm gonna kill the lights here, see what kind of video we can get. There's one. There's two. Okay. So here we go. So that's Top Rope Belts. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. Tell your friends about our YouTube page. And of course, visit us on topropebelts.com. Top Rope Belts. Tradition and innovation.